This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your Roblox home screen black. We'll walk through the simple steps to activate the official dark theme, which can significantly reduce eye strain, especially during longer play sessions. This guide covers how to apply the dark mode setting on both the Roblox website and its mobile application, ensuring a consistent and comfortable visual experience across your devices. To begin on the Roblox website, first log into your account. Once logged in, locate and click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open the settings menu. From there, select Account Info on the left side. Scroll down until you find the theme option, which is usually set to light. Click the drop-down and simply choose Dark to instantly transform your Roblox experience. For mobile users, the process is quite similar. Open the Roblox app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Tap the three dots icon, typically found in the bottom right corner, to open the More menu. From this menu, select Settings, then proceed to Account Info. Within this section, locate the theme option and switch it from light to dark to enjoy a darker interface on your phone or tablet. Switching to dark mode offers several advantages. It significantly reduces eye fatigue, making your Roblox sessions more comfortable, especially when playing in dimly lit environments. The dark theme also provides a sleek, modern aesthetic that many users prefer. Additionally, on devices with OLED displays, using dark mode can help conserve battery life. Ultimately, it gives you a personalized and more enjoyable visual experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.